Wait for me! Alright, let's go. Let's go for a ride.
Wait a rabbit.
Guys in the corner, guys in the corner.
I was doing good.
Ah! Oh my, oh, what the fuck? What the fuck?
It lived.
We're flying through the air.
Come
here, I got you. You wanna go back and do it again?
Yes, 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 yes. Bye bye. Well, that's overkill.
I'm a slayer.
Alright. Look. ISIS on 3. 1, 2, 3. ISIS!
Nibs. You know your ass shakes when you run.
It what?
Your ass shakes when you run.
Does it?
It looks kind of cute.
Are you following?
Well, she's like,
Who's
where's
that behind
the...
her shooting her in the ass, jumping?
Just follow my ass.
Who's chasing Nibs?
It's
I
me!
should have known.
I have a fucking
So
logic
see,
here.
look,
That's my
America,
job.
America.
That's my
Look,
job.
If you watch Whiskey Show, you have to put in the comments if you think that Nibbles' ass shakes when she runs, and if it's not cute. Oh, they got an LAV. Come here, LAV.
Where's my freaking logic?
Logic! Stop starts.
Starts.
Oh God, they're all down here, dude. They're all at the front door. Everybody.
Oh man, I didn't know LFS. Well,
Y'all got any lint?
Yes, we do. Right above the side boat, outside.
Okay, I'm using my fucking ball. Ball, baby. Hello. Oh, I can't. There's one up.
Whoa, too much firepower.
Who got me?
X up.
Who got me? Because that big heavy got in the way.
Big heavy with his big fat.
Dude, they're all up top at the front door.
Someone go for the hack. Someone go for the hack.
I'm going
Man,
for
we
the
gotta
back.
get these motherfuckers out of here first.
Alright, cowboy reps on.
I'm
You had
hacking.
to a slayer super squad, you know.
Grenades coming in. I am down. I'm down.
Oh no, you didn't tell me that while I was teabagging! I was reloading the teabagging.
oh, well, after you're
teabag
done,
girl.
can we queue sync or something until PC?
Urban Secret. Wait.
I'm gonna place. Yes, I was.
Never mind then. I invited Steve. I'm a little slayer.
I'm a real boy!
I'm a little slayer.
God damn it!
That was
dude,
shotgun.
you had 5 fucking lodges on them, dude. Woo, that was fun.
You know, I
Somebody
can't
got
throw
some
proto
good war
weapons.
points off of me.
I can't throw the proto weapons at like red or
Whoa, shotgunner.
Red.
Oh, yeah, I got me. I believe.
Okay, so you are colorblind. There's like pinkish, reddish, white.
Can you pick me up?
the
No, easy. Nice.
Like a salmon.
Keep me
I don't know my
alive.
color.
I need to pick up. I need to pick up.
Oh, you went down? Sorry.
Oh, Whiskey, is this the
What do you
first
think's the
recording of
best weapon
2016?
in the game?
No.
For
That
us,
scramble pistol looks cool.
for Gambit would be. Oh no, I'm up top now. I fell. Yay. Wow, I'm way up top.
They're all over the point, guys. They're all over the point.
I'm right at the point.
Coming
where I'm
in.
done.
Coming in.
Alright, cowboy reps on.
They're all-
Everyone, we're in the hallway between the point.
Whiskey, do you get money from this?
No, not much.
Oh, Okay.
I have to get like millions of likes.
So if you hit it big, you'll be like PewDiePie.
Yeah.
Get him
Is
off
that
the
still right?
yeah.
Yeah, PewDiePie gets a lot.
YouTuber has gotten as much. No,
We need a better link.
YouTuber has gotten as much
Cowboy, left side, turn around.
so far.
Yep, I should have got a super chance.
Even the scrub sad.
You should go play with Markiplier on your PC.
Markiplier has that movie voice. Like you go to a
Markiplier
theater
only
here.
plays with fellow YouTubers.
Hello!
He doesn't play.
Alright, push him into the hallway, guys.
I don't think he plays
He only plays with
Over
other
there.
YouTubers.
free to play beta games.
Free to play video games.
Alright, push him to the Snipo, guys. Push him to the Snipo.
Guys!
Anything.
Snipo, guys, move to the Snipo. We're pushing him back.
I'm buying the freaking. I'm buying this game. This is some shit. And RS90 beats it freaking down and I've never seen anything. 6K.
Respect
Scanning.
your elders.
6K, come to my aid.
Look at them all.
They're underground. Alright, go around, Whiskey. Whiskey.
Doverkin.
You behind me still, Whiskey?
Yep.
Let's go around.
I got links up the top.
Shotgun behind us, shotgun behind us. Turn around.
Oh, we lost TJ.
I think
Happened
you
to
DC.
TJ.
Oh god.
Yeah, I DC, sorry, nibs.
Oh, these people are lagging bad.
My PS3 was like, there's too much awesome!
There's so much. There's too much Slayer.
There's too many Slayers on the PS3!
God damn it, I fell again.
I'm at the point.
Slayer's making me fall and shit, man.
Oh, the lag. Lag's real.
It's
Oh Jesus.
lag.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus.
It's Slayer Splash.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus.
Bullshit,
I got 3 kills.
I'm a
man.
super
I got 3
platinum
kills.
player.
I got 3 kills with 1 M1 grenade. I feel so accomplished right now.
Good job. You're a slayer.
I'm gonna try heavy one more motherfucking time, man. And then I'm gonna try.
By the true Slayer is John Cena.
When you try
Right
to
on.
be funny, it don't work.
I know, shut up.
But it's funny.
He just
Dude's
accepted.
calling in the
Nibs,
LMD
get
on
off the top.
HAP.
Quit being a
Sponsor
scream.
that in, that would be awesome.
Yeah, go on, nice you on the top.
You can.
Alright, we're behind you, Cowboy.
I almost
Say
have an
Glenn.
old.
Say Glenn. Glenn, die. Glenn. Let's send a beat.
Alright, guys, we're going to the Snipo, opposite side.
So I found Glenn in ambush on accident.
Alright, we're in the Snipo, guys.
I find Darshan and respect in PUBG. Always run the freaking Gal assaults.
Hit him. Hit him.
Hit it.
No. Come on, Slayer. Where'd he go? He's over there.
That's
Boom.
a lot of profanity. You should not profanity. But
You know, we should like put like a freaking banner in front of every single Whiskey's videos, so it's like you can only watch it if you're 18 and up.
it should be like,
Got me
Inside
finally.
oh,
Outside
Officer
people?
Sentinel, Officer Sentinel.
Hey, Whiskey,
Oh
can you
man, I'm a
actually
plasma
do that?
candidate.
Say again?
Can you actually like put like a banner where it's like you can only watch this? Like if you're not 18, just leave already. No. Come on,
Dude,
6
you
skin.
can't think of nothing classy enough to fucking cuss about, bro, so don't even worry about it.
I know, I'm just.
Dude,
I'm
run the
just-
fucking
Oh, God.
Archdukes. I'm a freaking shotgun as Archdukes. I'm good about it. Try hard mode on.
Get out of my way, Scout. Holy Jesus.
Nibs, give me your slang powers.
Nibs, try to drop a major flux above the Snipo.
I did
Okay,
that.
Nibs, you didn't help.
We got a double kill with a grenade.
Bullshit on that goddamn shotty gun.
Shotty gun, really?
You suck my dick.
They're all lit up.
That shoddy
Major
guy.
flux, major flux.
Was that his name?
Vlogs
Coming
for
down.
them supply depot.
How did you
Alright.
not die with a grenade? That blew
Let's
right
push,
through
let's
the-
push, let's push.
Coming back on the hallway to the supply depot from the back.
Alright, Cowboy, I'm going to get reps on you.
I'm going in the front. You guys go in the back.
Holy crap, you won. We actually won that ambush. We're good now.
Okay, your reps on, Cowboy.
Yo, respect Sly. You want in the squad?
Huh? Oh, sure. Yeah, invite me. I'm about to go though, so
care.
it's not really worth it.
I'm a Slayer.
I'll suicide flight.
Slayer belly. Solid.
Oh shit! What'd they throw at
If
me?
I had 50k for how many times we said
Grenade.
Slayer, I'd be rich by now.
Yeah, you're a millionaire.
How we doing here?
Well, I'm in with
We're
TJ.
doing good.
I got the new
Got the
recruit.
supply
That's no
depot.
event.
We got it, we got it.
Nice.
I got
nice.
3 Calantes from an ambush, really?
There's a red in here.
Calantes.
No, he's in the back.
I got
hall.
3 Calantes from one ambush.
I usually say Calantes, but you like to live the
Respect, get
fancy
him.
life.
You gotta live that fancy life, you gotta get that accent, the Calante. Calante.
Calante.
Calante.
Well, I gotta go now. I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Trying to get in the back way.
They're above front door.
Give me BPO. Give me a BPO for the love of God. Just one BPO is all I ask. Okay, you got me a grenade in his sniper rifle. Not
Major flux.
That's
BPO.
okay, I got lots.
I got it. Nibs, I got it, Bill. You want it? How much you gonna do for me? Okay, I'm going to the black market. 1 sales for 400 million. Done.
Okay.
Another major flux.
No, that was no major flux. That took me out.
Oh wow.
Back up, back up. Let him jump. Back
Major
up, back up.
barge.
Back on us. Back up.
Jay, respect. We're gonna go beat Slayer. Oh, sorry. Slayer. Yay!
Shotgun behind, Cowboy.
Maybe blue in
probably
Georgia, but
got,
it's purple in
uh,
Texas all day long.
We probably got a major.
Drop it outside the door.
Reps on it. Outside the front door. Watch that roof though.
Drop it right there on the front door, Nibs. Please, now. You'll get a fucking shitload.
The Nizzle.
I'm working on it.
They
Get
got a
shot,
force
Nibs,
coming.
get
They're
shot.
trying to kill me.
Next up, Nips.
You missed. It was a good one. It was a good one. You missed most of them, but you got a lot.
Calm
of
down.
them. You didn't miss none of them. Good shit, Nibs. Gonna go kill this OAV that tried to get in.
They're still
Kill me
coming.
some people with this.
I'm still getting still. Holy shit, Beck, how many can I get?
Where's Sly gone?
I got that guy.
Oh, no, he's gone.
They're above A again. I'm going
Cowboy, where you at?
up. Going up above A.
Kill again. Kill again. Oh god. Oh, I picked up. I took out the wrong combat rifle.
Yes,
Oh, this
they
is
are.
not good. This is not good. Oh, they're long distance and I only have a freaking assault combat rifle. This is not good. Assault combat rifle. Pretend to be my assault.
Go there, run in their face and shoot.
Reps on, Cowboy, reps on, Cowboy.
That guy's just started pit. That guy's front line. That guy's
Got behind, Cowboy.
Shoot!
Yep. I'm not shooting. I don't want to waste any ammo.
You have a nail hive at your feet.
I gotta flank him.
gonna get you.
Kill him now.
Flank him out. Gotta play the smart way.
Nice.
That's what it said in the trailer of the game. They said it's a game about thinking and strategy.
Get off this thing,
Where
get
the
off
fuck
this
is
thing.
that coming
Get off
from?
this thing.
Damn. I couldn't see where it was coming from. Sorry. Go spawn inside.
Gotcha.
They're on the null cannon in the front between the two towers. If you know what I mean.
Oh Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus.
Oh
Jesus.
wow, I
He's
spawned
gonna
on
kill me.
top, dude, on the very
He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me.
Wow.
Jump down.
I am, but I'll probably die.
No, you won't die.
There's two smash drivers in the
What's he
front
was
door
that?
from the
What's he
null
was that?
cannon.
Oh, that's Proto Assault. And I killed him with an advanced inventory. I feel so good.
Here I come. I don't think they want A anymore.
I'm running back towards my partners. I'm not.
Alright, I gotta go change my suit up.
I'm coming with you.
I don't feel comfortable beaming myself over here. Not at
They
all.
have a Saipo.
There's a dude above the supply depot.
So I have to go do something. Ooh, I can change my combat rifles.
Alright, here I am.
Find you guys.
Like they're really trying to flank us. I can switch my scout suit and just beat the crap out of him.
Where are you at? Oh, there you are.
Scout at 1.
Oops.
Okay, they're above the supply.
Good game, guys. Fuck your counts.
So how many?
Lord Elron and your motherfucking OP squad. God mode, Lord Elron. I saw a few others. Vikings, Greens. Fuck y'all's couches.
Double can. Double can. Over here.
They were the other team, bruh.
Uh-oh. There he is. See, he's coming up.
Don't
Man.
freeze. Don't freeze. I want to see this. I want them to see it too. God damn it, don't freeze.
No, it's still moving, so it's just calculating.
But Nims. Oh yeah, I'll get to see it. I'll get to see it.
I'm a slayer.
Gotcha.
I had a streak of 12, 24, 10, and 7.
Coming around.
Let's see.
I got 8 of them with that OB.
Nice. It's like half the team.
God mode went
Yeah.
8 and 5. Fuck you. Neon Commando went 1 and 8. Fuck you. War Chicken Amy went fucking 0 and 9. Shawty Shortstop went 4 and 7.
This is the scariest mission. Oh god, they're chasing
Vikings
people.
Greens went 10 and 11.
1, 2.
Glenn!
Man,
Glenn, do not shoot
fucking
me.
Lord
Glenn,
Elron quit.
don't shoot. Glenn!
He dropped that OD and quit, dude. Fucking Elron, you loser.
Glenn is trying to kill his own court member. He's a traitor. Got ourselves an ED over here.
Can't kill a court
Topology.
member
What do you
in the
know?
fucking